Okay, Dante, let's go through your work for this week. So who were the characters in the story? Van, his mom, dad, and his sister. Okay, good. I like the way you put your comma. Your mom was right. The comma does need to go down on the line. So good. And good job remembering that a comma goes between three things. Where did the story take place? At the food festival. What event took place at the beginning? Very good. And these are first read. Those are excellent word per minute times. So good job. Okay, you're talking about root words. Sometimes they're called base words. Yes, in the word opened, open is the word that we started with before you added something on the end. Show is the word, sell is the word, stop, and reach. Those are all the words we started with. All right. So who is the character in the story? Where does the story take place? What information? So you're revising it. She was at home. She wanted to bake a cake for a friend. Then she realized she was out of milk. Okay, so those are some good information. The only thing is, oh, sorry, that says Sarah. Sorry, I thought it said she. I was like, you should give the person a name, but you did give the person the name Sarah. Sorry, I wasn't looking at it correctly. So that was exactly what you needed to do. You needed to name her. So very good. You gave more information, really nice handwriting, nice penmanship. So thank you. Okay, an exclamation point and a command. Good job. Those are great things to review. Okay, nouns. We're reviewing our nouns. Good. Good. And this is a really good rule, and I'm glad you circled it. That should, if you can't remember that, you can write that on your writing folder, because we're going to have pages like this all the time, and you're going to have to know how to make words plural, that when to add an S and when to add an ES. And it's really easy if you can just remember these four things. That's the only time you have to change it. So good job. All right, handwriting super easy right now. It's just good to go back and remember how to do it properly. Good job. Hopefully you are correcting this with the video. Let's see. I like many different kinds of flies. I like golden flies. I like bright green flies, and I like to watch flies. And I wonder if you're talking about like the flies that fly around that people swat? I didn't realize there were different kinds. So you are teaching me by writing about that. So good job. And yeah, you want to leave a little bit more space right there. I like to look at fish. I really like fish. I like to see fish at the zoo. Good. So you could give me more details here by telling me what about fish do you like? I know you said you like to see fish at the zoo, and the great place for detail right here would be to tell me about some fish at the zoo that you've seen. So the only fish I've seen at the zoo are the ones that swim in front of the bears in the Colorado Springs Zoo, and they're pretty cool. But so just try to be as specific as you can, and I'll just keep saying that all year long. Let's see. Okay, that was that. Hold on. All right. And sometimes I know your mom said your science experiment didn't work. That happens, but the only thing you need to do is you just need to write down and make observations about what happened. So when you did it according to the directions, if nothing happened, then you can just write exactly that. Draw what you observe. So I see that you did something different and you made a different conclusion. So that's totally fine too. Okay, good job with correcting these. Good job. I love the stars. That shows me hopefully that they were corrected. All right, because we're going to have a test here soon. Flat. Good job when you're writing the names of continents to have capital letters at the beginning. Very good. Excellent, excellent. So I think you had a really good week here. So good job. Second week, awesome. If you have any questions as you're going through, make sure you let me know.